Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel guys. Ngayong araw, we're going to fix E1 error of DEI-107. And this is a 12 volts input guys, so we need transformer here. And I just apply neutral and I install two NTC sensor here. So we just plug in here power supply. This is the live and this is the neutral, and let's power it on. Okay, this issue guys, I'm gonna show you on how to fix it. Itong E2 error na to guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ayusin. Okay, turn off natin siya at i-access natin yung rear part ng control na to. We're gonna access the rear part of this control, and the terminal number 12 is my room sensor. As you notice guys, terminal 11 and 12 is for the room probe sensor, and I'm gonna show you what is the problem. Okay, white color is connected in series to be connected to be plugged into terminal number 11, and here's my multimeter. I'm gonna set it to resistance reading, and this is the sensor installed to the room sensor. I'm gonna show you, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang reading nito guys. Dapat ang good sensor, makakamihir tayo ng 7 to 10 kilo ohms. A good sensor must have a reading of 7 to 10 kilo ohms, and what I got, I only got 1.048 kilo ohms for this sensor. And I have with me a replacement, this one, and let's take a measure on it, and I'm gonna show you what is the value of this one. Okay, here's the replacement guys. Ito ang papalit ko, at ang reading is 7.73 kilo ohm. Let's install this one. I-install natin ito guys, at titignan natin kung ma-fix natin yung E1 error. Okay, ang evaporator natin sa terminal number 9. Okay, terminal number 11 is connected in series, and terminal number 12 for the room sensor. Okay, let's go check, and let's power it on again. On. See, and let's wait for the delay to finish, and the compressor will engage. Nakita nyo guys, wala na yung E1 error, at antayin na lang natin yung delay niya at mag-engage ng ating compressor. At ang ating compressor is located to terminal number 2. Okay, the LED light now activated, so no more blinking. So this is the line compressor. If the defrost engages, the light will go down here, and let's check terminal number 2. Okay, here 1, 2. Okay guys, I'm going to put a load for the compressor, which is the terminal number 2. Terminal number 2, let's insert here and tighten, and let's put a live on it. So this will be my neutral here, my neutral, and this is the 220 input of transformer, and my load. I'm gonna put the live here. Okay. I'm gonna show you that it's working. So neutral and live, and the load for the compressor. Let's power it on. Okay, just wait for the delay. As you notice guys, one error is disappeared. So all you have to do is replace the room sensor, and it's done. See, engage, compressor, load for the compressor on, and that's all. If you have a question, just comment it down, and if you're new to my channel, please click subscribe button and notification bell so you will be updated just in case I have a new uploaded feature. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless.